It's important to dress a window for a season because obviously that's the time when most people start buying. You have Christmas, spring windows, Easter, and this is a way that when we have new product is how we kind of showcase that. And I think the fact you've gone to the effort of creating a lovely window for Christmas is like a gift to your customers. The first thing you've looked at is the merchandise, and then you decide what you might need. If, for example, you need Christmas garlands, they are just something to work from. So you have that as a base, and from there you can add ribbons, you can add all different kind of strings, again, depending on the look you want to create. So this first garland is for perhaps a store that has lots of lovely kind of woods and kind of natural stone, that kind of thing. So you don't want to do a garland which is, red and green necessarily, but this is another approach. So this garland is really simple. It's just string that's been shredded and a ribbon that kind of winds through it. It would be ideal to put eucalyptus. The eucalyptus is really good during Christmas time because it dries quite well and it gives this more texture. So this is just the basic shape of it. But also with any ribbons, make sure they go to their natural flow, that they're tucked in, and you've got that nice, you're not suppressing any of the ribbons. So this garland is really more for if your merchandise is lovely and bright and really strong, lovely colours. In that situation, you would not use red and green. It's just literally just tied ribbon in those colours of the merchandise. And I've used a kind of netting in between that kind of fills it out. Again, you probably would need a bit real foliage into this as well. These garlands are great because they're wired. You can wire in some holly and then you start to lose the actual garland.